Today, we are diving into one of my favorite topics, real estate investment in Africa. I am excited about this topic because real estate investment is a game changer for financial security. Whether you are looking to secure your family's legacy, earn some extra income, or simply get smart about where your money goes, African real estate has some incredible opportunities. With real estate, you can make your money work for you. But to help you navigate the exciting world of real estate investment in Africa, I would like to share a few investment strategies with you to get you started. I also have some insightful tips for the African diaspora. So stick around, you are in for a treat. The real estate market in Africa is lively and diverse. There are great investment opportunities in emerging areas, making it an exciting place for investors. As people continue to look for cool places to live, office spaces to conduct business, retail centers to sell their merchandise, and fancy new factories to build their products, Africa's real estate scene has become the ideal place for investment. Investing in African real estate offers a unique opportunity for wealth creation. However, as with any investment, you need to be very strategic in the way you proceed to avoid common mistakes. The very first strategy in real estate investment is setting up your goals. You must have clear and measurable investment goals tailored to your financial aspirations, whether it's building wealth, generating income, or just for the purpose of diversifying your portfolio. You must establish a time frame for your goals. For instance, your objectives in the short term could simply be to benefit from capital appreciation, in which case you simply buy land or other real estate properties and expect their value to increase on the market, which is typical for any asset of this kind. Or if you choose to invest in commercial or residential real estate, you may benefit from rental income in the long term. In addition to the fact that your property may still increase in value over time. But you must also consider the risks of real estate investment when defining your goals. This is a key point I will come back to later. The second strategy in real estate investment is choosing a location. Choosing the right location is so important because it is a defining factor in the future value of your property. You must first do some research on urban and emerging regions in Africa to identify areas with growth potential and demand for real estate. You will then assess factors like economic development, infrastructure projects, and the presence of amenities in the chosen location to make the right investment. The third strategy in real estate investment is choosing your investment types. You can explore various types of real estate investments, such as residential properties, commercial real estate, including office spaces and retail centers, and industrial properties. You must then evaluate the unique characteristics of each investment type to align them with your goals. For instance, if you are looking to make money in the short term, a rental property may not be the right choice for you. However, you should definitely consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in multiple property types to limit the risks. The fourth strategy in real estate investment is exploring financing options. You can start by investigating financing options, including mortgages, partnerships, and crowdfunding to determine the best choice for your investment. You must also evaluate the terms and conditions of loans, interest rates, and repayment options, considering your budget and how much you can afford. Personally, I have always used personal funds for my real estate investments, but ultimately, it is up to you to decide whether to use your own money or finance your project using external funds. The fifth strategy in real estate investment is risk management. Property fraud is a major problem in African countries. I know this from personal experience because it unfortunately happened to me. Implementing strategies for mitigating risks associated with real estate investments in Africa is so important. Therefore, you must perform due diligence on properties, including physical inspection, title verification, and market research to assess investment risks. As previously mentioned, you must also consider diversifying your real estate portfolio across different regions and property types to minimize exposure to individual property risks. And you must always have a plan to deal with potential challenges such as property vacancies, legal disputes, and economic downturns. The first tip I have for the African diaspora is networking. Networking within the African diaspora community and connecting with local real estate professionals can offer many advantages, including valuable insights, partnership opportunities, and shared experiences. Networking also enables the exchange of information, advice, and resources that can help you understand the local real estate market. Collaborating with local experts and other diaspora investors can lead to better informed investment decisions and access to on-the-ground support. The second tip for the African diaspora is legal and regulatory considerations. Understanding local laws and regulations related to real estate investments is crucial for protecting your investments. By following local regulations and legal requirements, you can protect your investments from potential disputes and legal challenges. And you must become familiar with tax laws and benefits specific to real estate to avoid penalties while taking advantage of tax deductions and incentives to make the most profits. The third tip for the African diaspora is property management. Effective property management is essential, especially for diaspora investors who may not be physically present to oversee their properties. Property management services help maintain consistent rental income and ensure properties are well maintained. So, for your rental properties, you should definitely consider working with property managers who will handle day-to-day operations, including tenant issues, maintenance, and repairs to give you peace of mind. There you have it. Whether you seek to secure your family's legacy, increase your income, or make your money work for you, real estate investment in Africa can guarantee your financial success. Let me know in the comments if you are as excited as I am about real estate investment in Africa. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on investment and entrepreneurship.